Here we have a couple of Lennox units. And this one just started up. This right here says Lennox. I believe these from 1995. The model number is HS29-653-2Y. Serial number is 5895L03433. That's the model serial number on this one. I think these are 1995. These other ones here, says Lennox. And this one is turned off. The other one's got power to it, but this one's been turned off. But the model number is HS29-653-2Y. Model number is 5895L03435. I'm actually not sure how to tell the model number on the day of manufacture on these Lennox units. I'm going to guess that they're from the 1990s. This one's rather loud, but nothing too much here. I don't think these are heat pumps. They might be, I'm not sure. I can't really tell. Yeah, I can't tell. So I don't know what these are. They might be heat pumps. But yeah, nothing too major here. 2 Lennox units, one of which is running over and out.